Hello everyone, this is Miss Haisee. Hope you're doing great. Let me show you a tool that I use to reach all my goals. You see this on the back? This is called a vision board or a dream board. This is basically a collage with a lot of pictures, images, affirmations of all your wishes that you want to fulfill. This helps you to focus your intention of your desires. Let me show you an example so you can make yours. Okay, you can see me? You can see it. The first one, I want to travel more in 2 years. So I want to go to China, North Korea, South Korea. I want to go to Jordan, Egypt, and many places. And you can specify when you want to go and how many days, months, or weeks you want to spend there. For example, I want to go to China in 2 years and I want to spend 1 week over there. And you can write it down. Teletransportation. Here I put that I want to do more exercise, to buy new dresses. Next one, I specify where I want to have my 2 houses. I want 1 house in Thailand and 1 house in San Diego. 2 cars. I want to keep studying, and you can specify how much money you want. So I write it down over there. So in this one, I specify when I want to do these activities. I wrote that I want to do these activities in 3 months, around 3 months. I want to go surfing, I want to see a turtle, I want to climb. Oops, there you go. I want to wear a Hindi dress, a sari. I want to be my favorite actor. So in this one, I put that I want a new bike, I want to get married, I want to study art, and I want to have my family. Now we have our vision board. Let me tell you about the law of attraction. If you think positive, you're attracting positive experiences to your life, right? Now, the law of attraction is the same as a vision board. We put all the wishes that we want to fulfill in the future. And the only thing that we need to do is wait for your dreams come true. And you say, how is this possible? And let me tell you my own experience. I did a vision board 5 years ago. I put a lot of pictures about all the things that I want to have in the future. For example, I put that I want to go to Israel, Egypt, Jordan, a lot of places. And I tell you what happened. I went to 13 countries in 5 years, believe it or not. The only thing that you need to do is believe. And let me recommend you a book that talks about the law of attraction, and it's called The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. If you can't buy the book, I recommend it to you to watch it on Netflix. And yeah, that's it. I hope you're doing great and see you next time.